Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this blue smoky eye with the Bright palette by Beauty Bay. So first we're going to be starting off with the canvas base Grim by City Color. This is what it looks like, you guys. And we're going to take a small dot on a flat brush and we're going to be applying this onto our lid. But under this base, I also have my other base, you guys, from Glamlight. And I'm not setting it. I'm simply just applying this right on top of it. And we're only going to be applying this on our lid. Do not go above the crease, you guys, and just apply it in tapping motions. Honestly, I give this base a 10 out of 10, you guys. I had never used a dark base like this. Usually I used to use eyeliner for this. So I used to use like a gel eyeliner and just like apply it as like a black shade like this. But oh my god, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. I love this base so far, you guys, and I highly recommend it. Next, we're going to be going in with the shade Illicit, and we're going to be applying this all over that area where we applied this eyeshadow base. And I'm going to be applying this in tapping motions with a big flat brush, you guys. This is my favorite brush to apply anything on the lid. So I'm just going to be applying this all around that black shade. And next we're going to be going in with the shade Stormy Night. And this is a really nice dark blue color, you guys. I'm using a small fluffy brush and I'm just going to be blending this in circular motions right on the crease above the black. You guys, try to blend in circular motions so that it looks smoky, because I noticed that that is the best way to blend these dark shades out. So just go in circular motions at first, and then once you already have one layer of eyeshadow, then you can go in side to side motions. Be very careful with the inner corner, you guys. Apply it very gently in this area, because remember, one false movement and this will mess up the whole eyeshadow look. So when you're going into this inner area, just be very careful and cautious. Next, we're going to be going in with the shade Bare Necessity, and I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this right above the blue. And we're going to be applying this in small circular motions and side to side motions so that we can blend the blue out with this shade together. Not me doing a side eye. It's because when somebody interrupts me, like, I just look to the sides, you guys, because I can't move from the frame of the camera. Honestly, it was such a big challenge to blend out this blue shade, you guys, because it was so stubborn. Like, I had to keep applying products and keep going in circles because it was so hard to blend out. I was getting frustrated, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, you guys, trust the process, and makeup is never easy. But yeah, like, trust the process, you'll get there. And if you follow it step by step, you guys can create the exact same look that I did. So now we're going back in with some more of the blue shade, and we're going to be applying this in small circles. And this is just going to make the color a little bit more smoky. As you guys can see, I'm starting to blend out the top with a small amount of product, just so that it doesn't look too patchy or it doesn't look like it's too much. Oh my god, you guys, I had some coffee earlier because this is like my third day working at Mac today, and I was onboarding. So because I drank coffee, like, I feel like I still have the coffee side effects, and I hate it so much because it's been hours, you guys. Anyways, we're going to be going back in with the shade Illicit, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit more onto that area. And now we're going back in with the shade Bare Necessity, and we're going to be blending some more at the very top. As you guys can see, the look is kind of coming along. You guys, smoky eyes are my favorite, like favorite. I'm going to be making some more with different colors. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a color suggestion, or if you guys want to see a specific color with the smoky eye. I can create it for you guys. And now, you guys, I'm just applying some more of the blue shade Stormy Night, and we're just going to be blending this in small circles just so it can look more smoky. And now I'm adding some more of the shade Illicit to get it as dark as possible. And then this is what it's looking like, you guys. Today I decided to try a different mascara. This is, which mascara was this? Okay, this is from Swede. I believe that's the name of the company. And I have never used this mascara before, but I actually kind of like it because it comes on really light. And now I'm going to be going in with my falsies. These are called the Violeta lashes, and they're actually from my website, you guys. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any, the link is below in the description. They're called the Violeta lashes. So just make sure you guys check those out. They're my ultimate favorite for every look that I've created. Not just because they're from my website, but I actually genuinely like them. And now I'm going in with my Neutrogena makeup towel removers, and I'm just going to be cleaning out any powder that landed on my face. This is why it's important to set your eyeshadow first, or create your eyeshadow first before you apply makeup all over your face. And you guys, I really like doing this sharp area in the outer corner like this. So if you guys look at any of my other tutorials, I'm always doing this unless I want like a round shaped eyeshadow. But anyways, now we're going to be going back in with the shade Illicit, and I'm taking a small flat brush just to apply this on my bottom lash line. I'm so sorry if you guys can hear anything in the background. I'm trying my best to film when everybody is outside. Anyways, we're going to be applying this on our lash line, and we're going to be going in side to side motions. You want to apply this as tightly as possible because we already have our foundation on, so we don't want to get any fallout onto our face, because if it smears onto our foundation, that is really going to suck. So now I'm going in with a clean pencil brush, you guys. This is 100% clean, and I'm just going in side to side motions just to blend out the black shade. And next I'm going in with my ColourPop eyeliner, you guys. I love it because it's so buttery and creamy, but it does smear a little too much. Sometimes in my inner corner, my eyeliner smears. So I'm trying to find a new one. Even if I really love this one, I need to find another one that doesn't smear from there, because I really hate when it smears on the inner corner. And now I'm going back in with the shade Illicit, only to apply a little bit more on the lash line so it looks really dark. And next we're using the shade White Lies, and I'm using a small pencil brush just to apply this on my brow bone, you guys. Sorry if you guys can see some of the little hairs on my eyebrow. I have not done them yet. And I'm also going to be applying the same shade in the inner corner of my eye just to give it that extra pop. This is my favorite part of doing a smoky eye, you guys. And I created the small little cat eye inner corner line off camera because it's so hard to do it while I'm filming. And I'm also applying some more of that mascara, you guys. And let me just tell you guys, if you made it this far into the video, the secret word for today is gonna be blue. If you watch this video all the way through, please type the word blue in the comments so I know that you're a real one. And this is the finishing look, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. There are so many new tutorials that I have for you guys. I literally have like 6 videos I'm editing at the moment right now as I am speaking. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.